Good evening. Welcome to explanation of my code. So first of all, to start cerebrally, let's see the code I'm referring to. Yes. So this is a small website with HTML and CSS only. It is a website for um, outdoor decorations like gardens, and it shows a bit about what the enterprise is about, what the services they can offer, and how you can get in contact with them if you are interested. So how was this made? When you go back to the HTML code, you see that. So this is an internal code, it's the internal CSS form of coding, and this is the main HTML code. So now see that we have a big sidebar. This is what we use to form the sidebar we saw in the code earlier. That was at the left hand side, and these are the values we find in said sidebar. Now, as you go further on, you see div content, and all this is just to help us create the page with the CSS to make it more stylized. And then we see another text shows us welcome to the creative view and transform it. And then go back to the line of code. Sorry, the website. You see it's right here. This has also been stylized by CSS as I'll show you. So we continue to the about. Yes, about just gives us a small summary of what the enterprise does and what their aim is, and what the problems they're trying to solve in society. And it's quite clear the problem trying to solve to make it easier for people to access people, gain access to people that can decorate their external part of their homes. Now it gives you an idea of what they can offer, that's through the services, and finally how you can get in contact with them. How does this line of code get to stylized? Through this internal CSS code. Now this part is a general form of code. It's used to represent the fact that this part of the form of the code affects all elements in the HTML code. And this, since it's focusing on the body, it affects the body and allows us to use flexbox formats for the body. And this is the part of the CSS code that affects the sidebar we saw earlier. And this just shows us the width, the background, the border, how it is positioned, the flexbox, how it is aligned, flexbox direction, whether to be a row or a column, how the contents are arranged, just arranged in the center, the space between the two, the height position, and so on. This is just the design, the logo, the code, the image. Yeah. So all these various codes gives the code is color, is text, is alignment, everything you see. This affects the pattern we see, the section, and so on and so forth. Now this is the code I use for my first website, and I'll go on to explain code I use for the second one.